Hey guys, welcome back to Ruby's Corner. Got another unboxing for you. So today we have another Adidas shoe, and it is a collaboration with Game of Thrones. This is a women's size 9. So I got this for my girlfriend as a birthday present. This is House Lannister, one of 6. So let's get into the shoe. So this is House Lannister. It's red upper, has a 4.0 pattern of prime knit. You can see the gold accents here and here. This is the sigil for House Lannister. This is actually a piece of leather. So this shoe only dropped in the women's sizes. That's the insole, which is a really nice little touch. I personally do not watch Game of Thrones. Haven't been able to get into it, but my girlfriend loves it. So I thought, why not spoil her a little bit and get her one of the shoes that goes with what she likes. So a little bit more about the shoe. You can see that they have the sparkles in here. This heel was actually 3D printed. You can see the little lines, which is a dead giveaway for 3D print. So along with this shoe, as her birthday gift, I also got her Light Fury. Along with Light Fury, she's the Funko pop-up shop exclusive. Along with that dragon, I got her this dragon. So this is her dragon / Game of Thrones collection. Slowly turning her into a collector like me. The disease is spreading. Actually, you know what? Let's unbox this bad boy. And there he is.